Understanding falling on deaf ears, an idiomatic expression in English. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, falling on deaf ears. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, but what does it actually mean? Stick around as we dive into its meaning, usage, and origins. Falling on deaf ears refers to a situation where someone's words, requests, or advice are ignored or not taken seriously by others. Imagine speaking to someone who doesn't listen or respond. It's as if they can't hear you at all. This idiom is often used to express frustration or disappointment when someone's attempts to communicate are unsuccessful. Let's see how this idiom works in context. For instance, I've repeatedly asked my brother to clean his room, but my requests keep falling on deaf ears. The teacher's warnings about the importance of studying hard seem to fall on deaf ears among some students. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different scenarios. The idiom, falling on deaf ears, has been in use for centuries. Its origins are a bit unclear, but it's believed to have been derived from the literal interpretation of speaking to someone who is unable to hear. Over time, it has evolved to represent the metaphorical idea of being ignored. When using this idiom, it's important to apply it in contexts where someone is being ignored or not listened to. Remember that it often carries a tone of frustration or disappointment. Avoid using it in situations where literal hearing impairment is involved, as it might be considered insensitive. We hope this video has shed light on the idiom, falling on deaf ears, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, idioms add color and expressiveness to our language, making it more vibrant and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!